Hello everyone, welcome to Inspire Art Linkings, where creativity blossoms into beautiful creations. Today we are going to draw a heart nostril in the palm of a hand. Let's get started. Begin by sketching the outline of your hand. Pay attention to the proportion and details like fingers and palm. Next, draw a heart shape in the center of the palm. Make it slightly titled to add a dynamic touch. Now add details to the hand such as lines to define the fingers and creases on the palm. These details will add realism to your drawing. Refine the heart shape, ensuring smooth curves and symmetry. You can also add decorative elements like swirls or patterns to make it unique. Choose colors that complement each other well. Consider using a flesh tone for the hand and vibrant hue for the heart to make it stand out. Add shading and highlights to give your drawing depth and dimensions. Don't forget to add any extra embellishment to make it truly yours. And there you have it, a heartfelt creation drawing, a heart in the palm of your hand. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial from Inspire Art Linkings. Remember to like, share and subscribe for more crafty inspiration. Until next time, keep happy and crafting. Thank you so much for watching this video.